Next sub point is third, which is run test according to tags and generate Allure report. So basically, Playwright provide a flexible way to run your test automation scripts. There are multiple ways. So uh, if you want to run, so basically this home test, which contains three automation tests, basically four automation test scripts. And if you want to run only one test scripts, then we are going to this dot only annotations if you want to run. But uh, if you want to remaining all the test scripts except this first one, then we are going to use dot skip. And so if we use dot skip, then all the remaining test scripts will be run. And if you want to run all tests which is present into this home test, then we are going to use this file name. So you will see all the test scripts which is present in a home test file which is running. Yeah, you will see all scripts are run. And if you want to check Allure report or generate Allure report, we are going to use this command: Allure generate Allure hyphen result hyphen clean hyphen o Allure hyphen report. So this will generate Allure report, and then we are going to use this command to open this Allure open. You will see total as of now total 7 test scripts we have run and all are passed. So you will see the allo report result is 100%. And if you want to check the suits, the as of now we have run from chromium, so you will see only one suit available over here. And the behaviors, you will see the detailed steps for each test scripts. So if you want to check the logs, you will see if you need to click to that uh, test scripts. So let's check for this. Basically this is skipped. You will see the logs over here generated. If you want to get test data test level logs, you will see over here also. One thing you have seen, this at the rate sanity. So basically this is a tag actually. So we are able to run our scripts based on tags. So basically tags means provided uh, provided by Playwright actually. So if we want to add a tag, then we are going to add after the test name using at the rate symbol. So let's suppose if I have added at the rate sanity for this, and let's add for other test scripts also. So this new page test, so I have also added at the rate sanity tag. And then for this test also I have added at the rate sanity tag. And this profile page, I have also added over here this sanity tag. And for register page, I have also added for the sanity tag. There are total 4 to 5 test scripts. I have added a sanity tag, and if I want to run only these test scripts which includes sanity tag, then we are able to do that using this syntax. This syntax hyphen hyphen grep, and in double quote at the rate sanity. So if we hit this command, so all the sanity tags, whether it is available in different or multiple classes, different files, so all this are run. So you will see I have not added hyphen hyphen added, so it is a headless code actually. You will not see the browser gets UI browsers on GUI mode. You will see all the 5 tests which is added under the sanity tags. That test case will be passed. Let's check. Let's generate once again this Allure report for this sanity tag test cases. Yeah, you will see the suit. You will see this uh, this all these scripts over here. So you will see this at the rate sanity tag added over here. If you want to click the scripts, you will see this under the tag sanity. You will see it under sanity. So I have not added any tag for this test scripts, though you will not see any tag over here. Yeah, so this is all about for third point.